Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a new Mini Cooper. Begin by approaching the car with the key fob, confirm the car senses the key, and enter. Sit comfortably, press the brake, and press the start button once while the transmission is in park. Watch the dash for any alerts, listen for normal startup sounds, and let systems initialize before driving away cautiously on familiar roads. Approach your Mini Cooper and use the key fob to unlock or the touch sensor on the handle to enter. If the car fails to detect the fob, try replacing the battery or holding the fob close to the start button area. Use the emergency key blade to unlock and gain access if electronics fail, then follow normal start steps while informing a dealer if issues persist for a permanent fix. With your foot on the brake, press the engine start button once and allow the systems to boot. If the car stalls or does not start, release the button, wait about 10 seconds, then try again while checking the dash for fault lights. For persistent failures, check battery charge, fob presence, and gear selector position before attempting more starts or calling roadside assistance for safe troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.